let's look at how a DLP printer works, just as a
kind of 1,000-foot overview. So it has, the fundamental thing is it has kind of a projector, right? So we're not going to get super into how a projector works, but you're all familiar with projectors, at least I'm expecting. So you've got a projector, and that projector is going to be shooting out light into a mirror that's kind of angled. So we're going to have light, let's do nice yellow. That's reflecting upwards. So on and so forth. And this is into our resin bath. And so in this one specifically, things are going to be a little upside down because we're going to have our build plate, or where the thing starts, and then our part, which we'll do in kind of red here, is, I don't know, some weird shape. And so obviously, right, we only want light where we want to cure stuff. And so in this case, maybe we're going to start building on something, adding some chunk to our print here, because that's where we're projecting light. And then what happens is this moves up as you print, and this is kind of out of the resin bath. And at this point here, this is in the resin bath. Oops. My S and I are a little combined. But anyways, so this is really like the fundamental way that these guys work. And so obviously your resin bath has to have a transparent underside, which isn't uncommon for SLA processes, right? So your resin has this transparent underside. So one big thing to note is projectors are digital devices, right? They're digital things. And so what that means is their actual display that they work on is it's a digital discrete thing, so it still consists of pixels. So we think if we wanted to make like a small circle, what would that small circle look like? Well, it might look something like this. This is a pixel. Oops, I wanted blue, but whatever. This is a pixel. This is a pixel. This is a pixel. This is a pixel. 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 There. So now we've approximated a small circle. And that might be the best we can get at our smallest resolution. However, something like SLA that is using a laser and an XY scanner could potentially have a nice continuous motion like this, right? The same dimension, but a nice continuous motion. So really, the resolution of your printer is determined by the size of your pixels there. Yeah, it's still a neat technology.